Today we are talking about Bakoulou Baka in the Haitian Vodou. Bakoulou Baka share the same similarities to the Loi of the Petro divisions in the Haitian Vodou. You know, the Loi of the Petro divisions, they are very fiery and violent. People should be careful when calling on them. Bakoulou Baka comes from the Congo region in Africa. It is connected to the spirits of the dead in the forest. That's why you might have heard that his energy is very negative. He is so cruel they compare him with the devil. So Bakoulou Baka is a hellish entity. Most people in Haitian Voodoo are afraid of calling on Bakoulou Baka. That's why he doesn't mount people as often as the other was. He is represented as a very ugly man that is very short and has a red color skin. He is dragging a chain behind him as if he is chained somewhere in the forest. Yes, he is the type of spirit, if you are serving him, you have to keep him on lock because he is very volatile and dangerous. Just like any other spirit, he has his soft side of him too. But he's so cunning, you never know which side of him you are dealing with. He is a very powerful Loi. He is a great healer. He can heal any type of sickness, but they can also use him too to send sicknesses to people. In other words, to make your enemies sick until they die. People who are under Bakoulou Baka protection cannot be pierced with bullets. Yes, so they use him as a Loi God too. And if you know someone cannot be pierced with bullets and they are your enemies, you can use Bakoulou Baka to get them killed. People who usually call on Bakoulou Baka, they are after wealth and power, and Bakoulou Baka will provide those two to those people. But you have to keep in mind, if you are after wealth and after power and you call on Bakoulou Baka, even if he provides those to you, but you have to make great sacrifices. And those materials, those wealth, those power that he give you, they're not gonna stay for long. Because you tapped into the wrong energy for that, and you're gonna have to pay greatly for it. Our ancestors, they called on Bakoulou Baka also among of many other spirits to help fight the colonizers. But we also have to keep in mind that the Great Dessalines prohibited Haitians to call on Bakoulou Baka after we gained our independence because he knew how dangerous this Loi is. It's way better to call on Bakoulou Baka when a nation is at war, because when he comes, he brings death with him. Even the rest of the pantheon of Loi in Haitian Voodoo, they do not work with Bakoulou Baka. They kicked him out of the divisions because of how dangerous this Loi can be. Do not be surprised if you call on Bakoulou Baka and it starts asking you to keep sacrificing your loved ones to him, because he's not gonna just stop at one sacrifice. He's gonna ask more, and more. You may even lose your own life too. You will find most of Bakoulou Baka's servant in the city of La Plaine in Haiti. For sacrifices, he demands human sacrifice, or he might ask you to sacrifice a black pig to him, black rooster, or black goat. He loves blood. You may give him a rum, but it has to have some type of blood in it. They compare Bakoulou Baka to a god of the vine in the Greek mythology who would turn his servants into great witches. This is it, guys. As always, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please share the videos so that more people can know about this channel. Take care of you and see you in another video.